I own a track saw because I really don't need a table saw. A track saw allows me to cut almost every cut I can need. I can cut angle cuts, square cuts. I can cut miter cuts. I have a miter saw and I have all the other tools I need necessary. I really don't need the table saw in my shop. So I have a Craig system, but there's a lot of other miter saws out there. As you can see, my table, my work table that comes with it, is a flat surface where everything goes on it, just about like anybody else. But what I really needed to do is find a way to take my track saw track and get it out of the way sometimes so I can use the table as a work table and put it someplace in my shop. So I'm going to show you how I did that, and I hope you'll stay tuned and watch. What I had to do here was make sure that I had a piece of wood to support it, and this is on my garage door, so when the door goes up it's not going to get in the way. This is unused space in your shop, and so I thought, well, what the heck, I just grabbed an old fence board and screwed it in on both sides and put a little piece of wood on top to hold it, and now I'm going to attach the brackets. Self-tapping. One side. They do give you two different size screws. With this, they give you these 2-inch screws, and they also give you the 1.5-inch screws, I believe that the other ones were. So you have several options for installing. They also come with a little cap that you can put in case you want to run it vertically. If you want to run it vertically, there's a cap that you can put on the bottom that holds it from falling down out of the clamps from the bottom side. So look into them. I think you'll really enjoy using them. Once you get the first one in, the rest are pretty easy. And of course, it's good to hold on to the screw until it gets in the hole. Once it lights, that's on there strong. It's not going anywhere. None of that's going anywhere. The next step is putting your track in here. And the track just fits right down in there, nice and snug. These just turn and lock it in place. That's not going anywhere. These cost about 20 bucks, a little less maybe. You can catch them on sale at Amazon, and they are for different size tracks, so you have to make sure that you get the right one. Some are made from Makita. This one is the Craig. There's some other ones that would hold different tracks, Festool and others. But if you got a track saw and you don't want to keep that thing falling down or out of the, you want to keep it out of the way, this is a great way to use it and store it. And I'm going to look for other uses for these clamps, because I know there are some that they recommend. Because what the heck? This is wasted space in a shop, especially it's a whole wall basically. Now you can put these on other places like above a door or some other place like that that you don't often use for storage, as long as it's someplace where you can reach it. And it's just a great little $20 investment. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section, and I'll put a description down in the description of the name of the company that I got these from, if I can. And please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.